If you're looking for an affordable SUV that combines practicality, comfort, and low maintenance costs, this list covers 6 excellent options. Each offers unique benefits tailored to different needs. 1. Toyota RAV4. The Toyota RAV4 is a versatile compact SUV that's a favorite among budget-conscious buyers due to its reliability and low maintenance costs. It comes equipped with a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder engine, producing 203 horsepower and 184 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission, offering smooth shifts and excellent fuel efficiency at approximately 28 miles per gallon in the city and 35 miles per gallon on the highway. The RAV4 stands out for its spacious interior and advanced technology, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system compatible with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety is a priority, with Toyota Safety Sense 2.5 included as standard, providing adaptive cruise control, lane departure warning, and automated emergency braking. The starting price is around $28,000, making it an attractive option for families and solo drivers alike. 2. Honda CR-V. The Honda CR-V is another top contender in the compact SUV segment, renowned for its dependability and efficient design. Under the hood, the CR-V features a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder engine that delivers 190 horsepower and 179 pound-feet of torque. This engine is mated to a continuously variable transmission, CVT, ensuring a smooth and responsive drive. It achieves an impressive fuel economy of 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. The interior of the CR-V is spacious and well-appointed, offering a modern design with high-quality materials. Standard features include a 7-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Bluetooth connectivity, and a multi-angle rear-view camera. Honda Sensing, the brand's suite of safety features, includes collision mitigation braking, road departure mitigation, and lane keeping assist. The CR-V's starting price is approximately $27,500, making it a solid investment for those seeking long-term value. 3. Mazda CX5. For drivers who prioritize style and driving dynamics, the Mazda CX5 delivers an exceptional experience. Its base engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, generating 187 horsepower and 186 pound-feet of torque. An optional turbocharged version is also available for those desiring extra power. The 6-speed automatic transmission provides a refined and engaging drive, while fuel efficiency remains competitive at 26 miles per gallon in the city and 31 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, the CX5 boasts a premium feel, with upscale materials and meticulous attention to detail. The SUV includes a 10.25-inch infotainment display, integrated with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Safety features like blind spot monitoring, rear cross-traffic alert, and adaptive cruise control are standard. With a starting price of around $26,700, the CX5 combines luxury and affordability without compromising reliability. 4. Hyundai Tucson. The Hyundai Tucson is a compact SUV that's gaining traction for its bold design, practicality, and budget-friendly maintenance. The Tucson's base engine is a 2.5-liter 4-cylinder, offering 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque. It pairs with an 8-speed automatic transmission, providing a smooth driving experience. Additionally, hybrid and plug-in hybrid variants are available for those seeking enhanced fuel efficiency, with the standard model achieving 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. The Tucson's cabin is modern and spacious, featuring an 8-inch touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Higher trims offer a larger 10.25-inch screen with navigation. Hyundai's SmartSense safety package includes forward collision avoidance, lane keeping assist, and driver attention warning. Starting at approximately $26,450, the Tucson offers a balance of value and innovation. 5. Kia Sportage. The Kia Sportage is a compact SUV that's well regarded for its distinctive styling, advanced features, and low cost of ownership. The base model comes with a 2.5-liter four-cylinder engine, producing 187 horsepower and 178 pound-feet of torque, paired with an 8-speed automatic transmission. Hybrid options are also available for those prioritizing fuel savings, with the standard engine achieving 25 miles per gallon in the city and 32 miles per gallon on the highway. The interior of the Sportage is both functional and sophisticated, with an intuitive layout and high-quality materials. It features an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, with higher trims offering a 12.3-inch screen. Standard safety features include forward collision warning, lane following assist, and rear occupant alert. The Sportage starts at around $26,290, making it a compelling choice for buyers seeking a mix of style and practicality. 6. Subaru Forester. The Subaru Forester is a reliable and capable SUV that excels in all weather conditions, thanks to its standard all-wheel drive system. It's powered by a 2.5-liter flat-4 engine, producing 182 horsepower and 176 pound-feet of torque. Paired with a CVT, the Forester offers a smooth and predictable driving experience, with fuel efficiency rated at 26 miles per gallon in the city and 33 miles per gallon on the highway. The Forester's interior is spacious and thoughtfully designed, with ample room for passengers and cargo. It comes standard with a 6.5-inch infotainment system, with an 8-inch screen available on higher trims. Subaru's EyeSight driver assist technology includes adaptive cruise control, pre-collision braking, and lane departure warning. With a starting price of about $25,895, the Forester is an excellent choice for those needing a durable and family-friendly SUV. 7. Nissan Rogue. The Nissan Rogue is a compact SUV known for its practicality, modern features, and efficient performance. It's powered by a 1.5-liter turbocharged 3-cylinder engine that delivers 201 horsepower and 225 pound-feet of torque. This engine is paired with a continuously variable transmission, CVT, ensuring smooth acceleration and fuel efficiency rated at 30 miles per gallon in the city and 37 miles per gallon on the highway. Inside, the Rogue offers a comfortable and upscale cabin with a focus on functionality. Standard features include an 8-inch touchscreen infotainment system, Apple CarPlay, and Android Auto, with higher trims providing a larger 9-inch screen and wireless connectivity. Nissan's Safety Shield 360 suite includes automatic emergency braking, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert. With a starting price of around $28,000, the Rogue delivers excellent value for those seeking a well-rounded and economical SUV.